Before you adopt Creatio CRM, pause, because most people assume all CRMs offer the same features. The surprising truth is that Creatio combines sales, marketing, and process automation in one platform, but it also requires careful setup to unlock its full potential. Creatio CRM is designed for businesses looking to manage leads, customer relationships, and workflows in a unified system. You won't believe what happens next when teams discover they can automate approvals, follow-ups, and marketing campaigns without needing multiple tools. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume plug-and-play CRM solutions will solve everything instantly. In reality, successful Creatio implementation requires defining your processes, customizing fields, and training your team. Key features include lead and opportunity management, pipeline visualization, marketing automation, customer service tracking, and robust reporting. Add-ons and templates help tailor the system to specific industries, from finance to manufacturing. The upside is powerful automation and flexibility. Businesses can streamline operations, improve communication, and make data-driven decisions. Creatio also supports cloud and on-premise deployment depending on your IT strategy. The downside is that it's not ideal for small businesses with simple needs. Pricing is higher than basic CRMs, and complexity can be overwhelming without dedicated staff or consulting support. The surprising truth about Creatio CRM is that it's a powerhouse for mid-sized to large businesses who invest in setup and training, but casual users may find simpler tools more practical. If this honest review helped you understand Creatio CRM, subscribe for more business software insights and reviews.